Hi, my name is Ashley Porterfield, and I'm going to be going over a few parts of the body, specifically areas of the lymph. So the first thing is going to be the thymus, which is going to be a bilobed organ found in the space between the sternum and the aorta of the heart. So it's just going to be right up here. Next, we are going to have the spleen, which is going to be on the left side, right into here. See, this just right into here. Next thing we're going to have is the tonsils, right back into here. Next thing we're going to have is the appendix, which is going to be on the right side, which is going to be down here, kind of on your right, next by your hip bone. Next thing we're going to have is the Peyer's patches, which is going to be on top of the small intestine, so on the left lower side. Next thing we're going to have is the cervical lymph node, which is going to be right here on the right side. And then the last areas we are going to have the axillary lymph nodes, which is going to be right in, do the left side, right on the left side, right into here. Next, we're going to go over just a few, or kind of the way the lymph goes. Lymph is a term that is used to describe interstitial fluid, which is once it's entered into the lymphatic system. When the lymphatic system is damaged in some way, let's say such as being blocked by cancer cells, what happens is that protein-rich interstitial fluid accumulates and basically in the tissue space. That inappropriate accumulation, though, basically of the fluid is referred to as lymphedema, which can lead to some serious medical problems. But other than that, the lymphatic system became a very convenient avenue for transporting cells of the immune system, basically once the vertebrae of the immune system evolved. So after that, cells of the immune system not only use the lymphatic vessels to make their way from interstitial spaces back to circulation, but they also use lymph nodes as a major staging area for development of critical immune responses. So pretty cool. The lymphatic vessels are also open-ended capillaries, which feed into larger lymphatic vessels, and eventually they empty into the bloodstream by a series of ducts basically a series of ducts along the way. The lymph travels through lymph nodes, which are commonly found in the groin, the neck, the chest, abdomen, and the armpits. So that's why we kind of pointed to those different areas of the tonsils, where the Peyer's patches are, and where the cervical lymph nodes were, and the axillary lymph nodes, because those are just some of the main areas where lymph travels. Side note, a little bit of a fun fact, humans have about 500 to 600 lymph nodes throughout their body. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my video.